What if I told you that one simple rule change could save Indian businesses up to 1,000 crore rupees every single year? Sounds massive, right? Well, it just happened. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has officially scrapped the annual Director KYC requirement. Starting March 31, 2026, directors only need to file KYC once every 3 years, not every year. With around 40 lakh active DIN holders in India, this is a game changer. So what exactly changed? Let me break it down into 3 key shifts you need to know. First, triennial filing replaces annual filing. Directors will now file DIR3 KYC Web just once every 3 financial years. The deadline remains June 30 of the relevant year. Less paperwork, less hassle. It means you only do this once in a 3-year cycle. Second, event-based updates within 30 days. Changed your phone number, email, or address. You must report it immediately. You must report these changes within 30 days through the web form. This keeps MCA records accurate without those bulk annual filings. Third, simplified digital signatures. Routine triennial filings with no changes won't even need a digital signature or professional certification. That's a huge time saver for busy directors who don't have changes to their basic credentials. Less friction in the compliance process. Now here's the catch. Don't ignore this. While the frequency has reduced, the importance of compliance has not. If you miss the deadline, your DIN gets automatically deactivated. That means you can't sign filings for your company. Your company's annual returns get blocked, creating a compliance bottleneck for the entire organization. It effectively freezes your directorial functions. And reactivation costs 5,000 rupees plus significant processing time. It's simply not worth the risk for a task that's now so infrequent. So, here's your action plan before March 31st, 2026. First, log into the MCA V3 portal and check your current DIN status immediately. 2. Complete any pending KYC immediately if it's incomplete for the current year. Ensure your base record is perfect before the transition. 3. Make sure your mobile number, email, and address are up to date. These are the critical conduits for all future MCA communications. And 4, mark your calendar. Most compliant directors won't need to file again until June 30th, 2028. This long gap is your reward for staying compliant. This reform is a big win for founders, MSMEs, and professionals alike. Fewer filings, lower costs, and smarter compliance. It's a major step forward. By reducing administrative burden, the government is making it easier to focus on growth. But remember, this ease only comes if you act now to stay updated. Check your DIN status today. Don't let a small oversight lead to a deactivated DIN. Your compliance history is your professional asset. Visit taxupdate.in for the full breakdown and official links. We've compiled everything you need to navigate these changes smoothly. Don't wait until the deadline catches you off guard. Stay ahead of the curve and keep your focus on building your business. See you in the next update.